Mark, let me ask you something. Have you noticed how people say they want to learn English, but somehow they still spend hours watching random videos?
Every day. It's funny, isn't it? They say, I want to be fluent, but then they click on a cat video, a prank, a meme, and suddenly 1 hour disappears like magic.
Exactly. And the sad part is, they don't even notice it. They don't realize that every time they click those videos, they're pushing their dream further away.
You know what's interesting? People are not lazy, they're just distracted. They don't choose English because English feels like work, but random videos feel like escape.
Yes, and the moment you try to learn something meaningful, your brain goes, no, too much effort, let's watch something funny instead.
But here's the truth nobody wants to say. The people who become fluent aren't smarter. They just do one simple thing. They watch English content, even when they don't feel like it.
Right, and maybe someone listening right now is thinking, okay, but how do I stop myself from wasting time? Well, here's a small secret. Ask yourself one question before you click a video. Will this help me grow, or will it steal my time?
Just that one question changes everything, because suddenly you realize your time is not unlimited. You understand that every video you choose shapes your future.
People forget that learning English isn't just about grammar or long study hours. It's about tiny choices. The choice to listen to this podcast right now, that's already a win.
And maybe someone listening is tired. Maybe they had a long day. Maybe they feel like English is too hard. But let me tell you something. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to stay here, listening, improving one word at a time.
Yes, and you know what motivates me? Imagine yourself 6 months from now, speaking clearly, confidently, understanding everything. That version of you is waiting, but you can only reach them if you stop feeding your mind random videos that give you nothing.
And choose English instead. Choose your future instead.
A lot of people fail because they rush. They want fast results. But English is like a plant. You water it with listening, reading, practicing. Bit by bit, it grows.
And right now, the people listening, they're watering that plant. They're making a real choice, a powerful one.
And that's why I respect them. They didn't click a joke video. They clicked a podcast in English. That alone already separates them from millions.
Seriously, if you're still listening right now, you're stronger than you think. Most people quit in the first minute, but you're still here.
And maybe you don't realize how big that is. This is how fluency is built. Not with books, not with pressure, but with consistent listening, stories, conversations, just like this.
So to everyone listening, keep going. Don't stop. Don't switch to another random video after this. Choose something else in English. Choose something that brings you closer to your dream.
And if you want more conversations like this, stay with us, because we're here to help you grow every day.
One choice at a time.